Hey, if you want to connect headphones or earbuds into your Samsung Galaxy Watch 7, so first of all, on your device, you will have to just enter for the pairing mode. So in my case, in my headphones, I will have to just click and hold the power button until my indicator starts blinking quickly, just like this. And in the next step, you will have to just open the settings. Then you will have to find connections, which is located at the top. Go into the Bluetooth. Now be sure that you turn it on with the switcher. And then from available devices list, you will have to select your headphones name. Now accept pairing request. And as you can see now, we are successfully connected. When you click on this icon, you can also enable the calls, audio, or for example, unpair this device. So that's all. Right now, please subscribe.